Here at boxxe, we aim to make technology human. We have a passion for digital transformation and we want to help organisations utilise the latest technology to be as agile and as efficient as possible. boxxe have recently partnered up with RealWear to enable this through these head-mounted tablets. These tablets are 100% hands-free, function in most weather conditions, as well as being fully rugged, water-resistant and dust-tight. They are also compliant with PPE, which we know is really important at the moment. So just to give you a quick overview of the device itself, there is a built-in 1080p camera and flashlight on one side, there is a microphone that sits just above your ear on the other side, and then this little arm is actually a tablet that sits just under your line of sight, enabling you to review documents and join meetings. The most popular use cases we've seen so far have ranged from engineers in geographically dispersed locations be able to connect with their teams and capture real-time images and videos. These devices have also helped cut the training time of employees down by 50%, as they provide remote learning, travel-free mentorship and assistance. They can also eliminate paper processes, as the workflows can be automated onto the headset, helping you capture more insightful and accurate data. If you'd like to hear more about this device or even schedule a demo to see how it can be implemented into your day-to-day processes, please use the link below and book in some time with the experts.